Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your 6 Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix your controller not working in the game on your PlayStation 5. So the easiest way to fix this is probably just go to the home screen here and go up to settings. And if your controller just simply isn't working where it's not connected or anything like that, you can use your TV remote, and if you have HDMI-C turned on, and it's usually on by default, so as soon as you just use the dial pad on here, you should be able to control it. But let's go on down to where it says accessories now, and then go to the right, and then we want to go to Bluetooth accessories, and then locate your controller under here. So I got the DualSense Edge Wireless Controller. I'm going to select this, and I want to go to forget, and this is going to completely remove it from my PlayStation 5, and I have to re-register it and reconnect it, and this is usually what works for me. So let's select this and then go to OK. And if you went to disconnect before, that's simply just going to turn off your controller. Now, if you have your TV remote and you're able to control it, you can do this via Bluetooth. All you have to do is put the controller into the Bluetooth pairing mode by pressing the share button and the PlayStation one at the same time, and it will show up under accessories found at the bottom of the screen. Just go on down to it and then select it, and you can see it right there. You can just select it. Otherwise, you have to use a USB cable connected to your PlayStation, and then go to this, plug it in, press the PlayStation button, and it'll be reconnected with this method. And this works. You can see it's back on here. And this is usually what fixes it for me. Now, if you do have a PlayStation 4 controller connected and that's your issue and you're trying to use it in the game, you won't be able to play any PlayStation 5 game whatsoever. It doesn't support any like the advanced features of the PS5 controller, so they simply just don't allow it. Now, another thing that you could try is going to the back of your controller, and there is a small reset hole right here that you can put a toothpick in, and it'll reset the controller. Just have it turned on, and you should be able to reset it. It'll turn it off, and you'll have to reconnect it. And one other thing that we can do is just check for updates. So we can go to settings, scrolling down to accessories once again, and you should be able to find it under this setting right here. If we go down to controller, it should say like update, but since I have the DualSense controller, I'm going to go over to DualSense Wireless Controller and then find the section for the update. So we also have the option to reset it under this screen if you have the DualSense version. And then it looks like my controller is up to date. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more checkout videos coming up next on Your 6 Studios.